What if you could start a YouTube channel in 2026 without filming a single video, without recording your voice, and without even being on camera? Sounds unrealistic, but it's not. Because right now, AI has reached a point where you can create an entire YouTube video, from a character to voice to cinematic visuals, completely from scratch. And the craziest part? It doesn't take a team. It doesn't take expensive tools, and it definitely doesn't take months to learn. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete workflow, step by step, where we'll build everything from the ground up. We'll start by creating our own AI character. Then we'll turn that character into a fully talking, expressive avatar. And finally, we'll generate high-quality video scenes and hooks that you can use to build real content around it. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the process, you'll have everything you need to start your own AI-powered YouTube channel. Let's get started.
So to start a YouTube channel like this, the very first thing we need is a character. And to create that, I'm going to jump into Domo AI. As soon as you land on the platform, you'll notice how clean and beginner-friendly the interface is. You get access to multiple features like AI video, AI image, AI editing, and a few quick tools. But for now, our focus is on creating the character. So I'll head straight into the AI image section. Now inside AI image, you'll see two main options. The first one is text to image, which is perfect if you're trying to generate anime style or stylized characters. It gives you access to multiple anime models and fusion styles, which is great for creative or animated content. But in our case, we're going for realism, something that looks like an actual human creator. So instead, I'll switch to image editing, which runs on Nano Banana 2, one of the most powerful image models available right now for realistic outputs. Here, you can also upload reference images if you want more control over the final result. But for now, I'll keep it simple and just paste in my prompt that defines the character. By the way, I'll be attaching a free PDF in the description that will help you write high-quality prompts for both images and videos, so definitely check that out. Once the prompt is in, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 since we're creating content for YouTube, and for quality, I'll go with 4K resolution. Now here, you'll also notice an option called Relax Mode. This is actually one of the biggest advantages of Domo AI, because when you turn this on, you can generate images without consuming credits. It may take slightly longer due to queue time, but for testing ideas, prompts, and experimenting, this is extremely useful. After that, it's as simple as clicking Generate, and within a few moments, our character is ready. Now, once the image is generated, you'll notice that Domo AI gives you multiple actions you can take. You can convert this into a video using image to video, frames to video, or character to video. You can also edit it further, upscale it, regenerate it, or simply download it. But what we're going to do next is turn this into a talking avatar. So I'll click on Talking Avatar, and that takes us into a new interface where our generated character is already loaded. From here, you have two options. Either upload your own voiceover if you already have one, or generate a voice directly inside the platform using text-to-speech. Domo AI actually lets you choose from multiple voices, or even create your own, and you can generate both single-character and multi-character dialogues. But in my case, I already have my voiceover ready, so I'll just upload it. After that, I'll paste in a simple motion prompt to guide the character's expressions and behavior. But here's where things get really powerful. Domo AI now gives you emotion control. So instead of just generating a basic talking avatar, you can actually control how your character feels while speaking. For example, I can make the same line sound hopeful at the start, and then switch to angry or intense towards the end. And the facial expressions, tone, and delivery all change accordingly. This makes the character feel way more real and expressive, instead of robotic. I'll set the duration to match my voiceover, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and then hit Generate. Within a short time, our fully expressive talking avatar is ready. Now what's even more interesting is that this isn't the end. You can take this generated video and push it even further. You can convert it into different styles using video to video, create new variations, or even upscale it for better quality. So, for example, I'm going to quickly upscale this to 2K resolution. The process is pretty straightforward. The video is already loaded, I just match the duration, click Generate, and the platform handles the rest. And as you can see, the final output looks significantly sharper and more polished.
What if you could start a YouTube channel in 2026 without filming a single video, without recording your voice, and without even being on camera?
Also, just so you know, the exact video you saw at the beginning of this video was created using this same workflow inside Domo AI. So now we've covered how to create a character and turn it into a talking video. But this is only part of the process. The next step is where things get really interesting. Creating visuals, hooks, and cinematic scenes that actually make your videos engaging. And for that, we're going to explore features like image to video to video, text to video, and frames to video. So let's dive into that. Let's start with the image to video feature. What I did here was pretty simple. I uploaded an anime-style image and then added a short prompt describing the kind of motion and scene I wanted. You also get access to multiple templates if you want to experiment with different styles. But for now, I'm keeping it clean and going with no template. After that, you just need to set the aspect ratio, choose the duration, hit generate, and within a few moments, your video is ready. And as you can see, the output looks really impressive. This is exactly the kind of content you can use to visually represent your ideas. Instead of just explaining something with voice, you can actually show it through cinematic visuals like this, which makes your content way more engaging and professional. Apart from this, you also get access to video, which is another powerful feature. Let's say you already have a normal video. You can upload it here, choose a model, describe the style you want through a prompt, set your duration and aspect ratio, and then simply generate. And just like that, your original footage gets transformed into a completely different style. Like anime or any other aesthetic you're going for. So overall, this gives you insane flexibility when it comes to content creation. You're not limited to just one format. You can create characters, generate talking avatars, and build full cinematic visuals, all inside one platform. Now, before we wrap this up, let's quickly talk about pricing, because this is where Domo AI becomes even more interesting. The platform offers multiple plans depending on your needs, but the real highlight here is something called Unlimited Generation Mode, also known as Relax Mode. With Standard and Pro plans, you can generate content in Relax Mode without worrying about credits at all, which is a huge advantage compared to most AI tools out there. So if you're someone who likes experimenting, testing ideas, or creating content at scale, this feature alone makes a big difference. Now, obviously, I'm not going to cover every single feature in this video, because there's honestly a lot to explore here. Instead, I'd highly recommend you check it out yourself, experiment with different tools, and see what kind of content you can create.